What's going on, everybody? Got a big, thick, juicy picture of my first cleanup. I left my phone over there in my coat so it stay kind of warm. But I'll show you where I'm digging first. It's a little deep. Digging right here. Dug right here on the front of my old rock pile from the last time I was here. That damn rock right there looks like a petrified log. But it did pretty good, man. I seen 2 pieces of gold on my mat. Seen 2 pieces of gold on my mat when I turned it off. So I knew it was gonna be good. I panned it pretty fast, so I probably lost some. But it was a pretty good clean out. Yes, sir. Not too bad, not too bad. Not too shabby for some ice cold gold. I'll be back in a little while with the next cleanup, y'all. Peace.